What's good, YouTube? So I'm here editing the video for next week, or one of the videos for next week, I should say. And I just realized that there wasn't much talking done in the video. Now, I wasn't the one who filmed the video, so and some of the clips were turned horizontal. But like I said, I wasn't the one who filmed the video. We gonna see how it come out, but if we can't use it, I guess we just can't use it. But I just have something that I want to say to you guys. Like, I've been looking at my analytics lately, and what I've been seeing is really good, and I just want to say thank you to everyone who has been watching and subscribed and keep coming back for another video, whatever the case may be. I do have a giveaway coming soon, but the giveaway will be of a $100 Amazon gift card, or a gift card from wherever you guys want. Or if you guys want me to cash up you the $100 cash, I'll do that. It don't matter. But I will be giving away $100 once I get to 1,000 subscribers. Now, however long that takes is however long the giveaway gonna take. I mean, hey, I know you guys want that money soon, so might as well just start sharing the channel with your friends, with your family, whoever you think would enjoy my content. Might as well share the channel to them so that we could hurry up and get to that milestone, so that I can do the giveaway. Now, the requirements of the giveaway are: you have to be subscribed, you have to be an active member in the comment section, because that's where I talk to you guys, unless you follow me on IG at Third Gear Car Reviews. I'm gonna have it somewhere off here, but that's where I normally respond to you guys when you guys have a random question. So you have to be subscribed, you have to follow me on Instagram, and I have to see your name in the comment section a lot. So those are the three main requirements right now. I think that's it. Oh, and once we get to that 1,000 subscriber mark, I have a bill coming for you guys that I don't really want to discuss yet, because I'm still trying to make my mind up on exactly what do I want to do, or what car do I want to do. Because, like, I'm gonna be honest, right now I'm stuck between like 4 cars, and I really don't know what direction to go. So I don't know. I'm gonna need you guys' help. I may make another video sometime this week, next week, and just to basically give you guys like the cars that I'm thinking about, and I need you guys' help in the comment section to make that decision, because you're the guys, you're the ones that's gonna be watching the stuff. I'm just gonna be doing it for you guys. Of course, I'm gonna be the one driving and enjoying the car, but I'm building the car for you guys' enjoyment, so that you guys have stuff to watch on a daily. I'll have a car that I don't mind putting it on the channel, but for right now, I really don't want to put my daily driver that much on the channel, even though almost every video intro starts in my car. But if you know what I mean, I don't really want my car on the channel that much, so that's why I'm gonna get a specific build for the channel. I hope you guys respect that. But yeah, those are up-to-date stuff with me. Like I said, I'm here doing this video. The Corvette video was supposed to go live in about 2 hours. Maybe, what time is it now? It's 10:15, Sunday, June 28th. So the Corvette video should be going live any minute now. So yeah, I know this is a lot of talking and not many action scenes or cars or anything like that. Like I said, this video is for the true fans. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this 5-6 minute video, however long it is, of me just talking to you guys, because I felt like I wanted to just talk to you guys. So I just picked up the camera and decided to share all my good news with you guys. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, comment down below, and when you follow me on Instagram and subscribe, comment down below, and that will be your entrance in the a giveaway. That's it. That's all you have to do. So subscribe, follow me on IG, and comment, and that's it. That's literally it. And you get $100. I wish somebody would give me that opportunity. And I think I'm gonna do it $100, $50, and $25. So I think I'm due 3. So I mean, hey, it is something. So yeah, like I said, just subscribe, comment down below, follow me on IG, and that's it. You enter to win either 150 or 25. I'll see you guys in the next one.